What is a smile makeover part 2? So in the first video, I explained more about the procedure of a smile makeover. In this video, we're going to talk more about how many teeth are necessarily need to be done or how many teeth you may want to have done and the costs. So when determining how the extent of a smile makeover, there's a few factors we use. The number one smile we use is we get someone to smile and we count the teeth that show when they smile. Generally speaking, it's about 10 to 12 teeth, and that's the norm that the average person does when they do a smile makeover. Now, there are some lucky people where the entire smile is perfect and they just need to do a few teeth. The minimal number of teeth necessary in a smile makeover is 6. They're called the social 6 or the front 6. And they go canine to canine or eye tooth to eye tooth as it's called, and that's the minimum number of teeth involved in a smile makeover because the way the eye teeth reflect light is the minimal amount we have to do to make the smile look natural. If we have the 2 or 4 front teeth done, sometimes in certain lights when we smile, it looks like we've had 2 or 4 front teeth done with porcelain veneers or crowns, but it doesn't look like a natural, smile that flows. So the other factors we look at how many teeth that need to be done is also how the bite works. If the teeth are worn down, sometimes we need to do the back teeth to support the new front teeth, and that involves doing more teeth. And other people are into having to do all the teeth if the bite has destroyed or worn down the teeth severely. And that's where we talk about having a full mouth reconstruction or basically putting porcelain veneers and crowns on all the teeth. Now, what do things cost? This is a big decision. This is a very important decision. We understand finances are not the only deciding factor, but they're a very important deciding factor. Now, they can range based on how many teeth are being done and how complex the case is. And generally, the easiest way to explain it would be about what somebody would pay for a car. So sometimes when we buy a car, we might be buying a car that's, a new car that's on the lower end of things. And then we can buy cars that are kind of mid-range and cars that are very expensive. And with smile makeovers, it's the same thing. There's such a wide variety of fees and costs associated with them that it would be, I would liken it to buying a new car. And, the cars can range from whatever people are comfortable spending, from as little as they're spending on, comfortable spending on a new car to as much as they're spending on a new car can be spent on your mouth. I hope you found this helpful.